all of these need to go in one place where they're all together and I don't have to worry about where they are. So the plan is these hammers are going to get moved up to that rack there. On that rack there I used to keep clamps, but in the end I just prefer them in a bag. I'm happy with that. Take them off, put all these hammers in a row, they've got more space there, that's better. And then this will be where I'm going to put the battery factory, or whatever you want to call it, with a long extension lead. Plug, done. Yeah. Five and a half. Yeah, 5.5. When it comes to power, I've got this nice long, I think it's 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ports extension lead with a surge protect thing inside it. That'll do me. Now this, I'm going to put here. I'm going to mount onto this board here. So I'm going to move the saws out the way, mount it under there, right underneath. Done and dusted. Because this can plug into a plug that I've got down that corner there. Hey! Let's do that one. Four to 6.5. So that is that, and that is done. We've got the hammers at the top. And about as tidy as they're ever going to be, but that's where they are. And then we've got the batteries down here. I suppose we'd better call this the battery factory, because it's a battery, we know electric in a battery is just a lump of plastic, so it's the battery factory. So we make them batteries and we make them worthwhile. And I've got the power here down below, and also managed to get my GoPro charger in. There you go, batteries going there. All in all, I am happy. I've had to tidy up all this electric here. It's just turned into one big dreadlock, but that's okay because it's tidy and I won't catch it and pull the whole thing off the bloody wall. I'll call that done, because it must be done because I'm happy.